Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make royal jelly. Royal jelly is a remarkable substance, a milky secretion from the hypopharyngeal and mandibular glands of worker bees. It serves as the sole food for the queen bee throughout her life and for all young larvae for their first 3 days. Understanding its production allows beekeepers to harvest this valuable product. We will cover the necessary preparations, the grafting process, and finally, how to harvest and store your royal jelly effectively. To begin, you will need a robust bee colony, ideally with at least 8 to 10 frames of bees and a prolific queen. Essential equipment includes plastic or wax queen cell cups, a grafting tool, and a small spatula. You will also need a starter colony, which is queenless, and a finisher colony, which is queen-right. Maintaining a temperature of around 93 degrees Fahrenheit and high humidity is vital for the larvae's acceptance and royal jelly production. The heart of royal jelly production is grafting. This involves carefully transferring very young larvae, ideally 1 day old, into the prepared queen cell cups. Using a specialized grafting tool, gently scoop each tiny larva, ensuring you get a small amount of royal jelly or larval food with it. Place these grafted cells into the starter colony. The nurse bees will perceive these as emergency queen cells and begin feeding them copious amounts of royal jelly. Harvesting typically occurs about 72 hours after grafting, when the royal jelly volume is at its peak. First, gently remove the larvae from the cells. Then, using a small spatula or a specialized suction tool, carefully extract the royal jelly from each cell. It is crucial to work quickly and hygienically. Immediately transfer the collected royal jelly into airtight, dark glass containers and store it in a freezer at 0 degrees Fahrenheit or colder to maintain its potency and freshness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.